Hello again. Welcome to another demo of Nakisa Decision Intelligence. Last time we looked at a quick overview of the platform. This time we're going to dig a little deeper and look at a specific use case tied to my global retail portfolio. For this particular use case, I'm interested in understanding which of my stores across my global footprint are at risk of missing deadlines, especially tied to critical documents. And I have two ways to go about interacting with my AI platform. I can use my chat, or I can use questions that have been served up through my platform's contextual understanding of the data sets. So you'll see here, if I click on risk and compliance, it shows me questions tied to critical document expirations, exposure without adequate insurance or tax clauses, and whatnot. For this particular one, this has given me an idea. So let's start with which stores or leases are at risk of missing critical document deadlines. Wow, I do have a lot of stores that are at risk of missing deadlines in the coming year and have missed certain deadlines tied to particular document types. So what I want to do is, before I start actioning, get a bigger picture understanding of what my trend of missing these critical document deadlines has been. So for that, I'm going to ask AI to show me a trend line of past missed deadlines for these documents. Now, this should hopefully give me visualization, which will help me understand if I'm performing well overall or not. So as you'll see here, my missed document deadline has increased over time and has also sort of improved a little bit in the last quarter. I can also view an explanation here to understand what goes on behind creating this chart. So I have a full understanding of what the chart represents. So for that, you'll see I clicked into view explanation, and I have both a technical or mathematical explanation and a summary explanation, which tells me that month over month, there's summarization of important documents that are overdue or expired or were not renewed or updated based on dates in my data set. That's great. That's exactly what I wanted. Now let me start taking some actions out of decision intelligence. So let me ask, which stores have most frequently missed document deadlines? So I know which ones are underperforming in the context of my bigger portfolio picture. All right, so now it's showing me that there are specific stores with store IDs, and there are a number of missed deadlines tied to these. Now, I'd also like to see which of these stores have deadlines coming up in the next 6 months. Okay, so I have store IDs, I have specific documents with deadlines coming up within March 2026, given I'm in October. Now, I'm going to see if I can set up email reminders for these stores with deadlines before the end of this year. And let's see what decision intelligence recommends as the next set of steps for me to take here. So all I have to do is set up recipient email addresses for people that need to get reminded, in this case, my contract manager. So I will be basically entering the recipient's email, and the reminders are set up. If there is a field to receive this in my database, and Nakisa is able to orchestrate the following steps, these reminders will go out through Nakisa IWMS to Jane. All right, that wraps up our demo, and thanks for joining in. Look forward to the next one.